Hello everyone, start off by taking this rectangular shape, then add a conical shape at the top, and then afterwards add a chimney. Now add a little door and a window as well by drawing it on, add a crescent moon at the top, make smoke come out of the chimney by doing so in white paint. Add these two little branches on either side and then make it look like a tree. Now add little dots, white dots all around as well to make it look like snow. Next, take a circular white sheet of paper and then add it at the top. Right underneath it, stick an ovular sheet as well. Add buttons to this, add a little scarf and then add a hat to the top. Taking some white paint, add it to the bottom as such, and then add some blue to the side and then stick on all of these twigs. Add the clouds to the top and then add the sun on one corner of this. Paint the trees slightly so it looks like there is snow on them. Next, take a green sheet of paper and then afterwards stick the bottom of it with this. Now cut out the bark of a tree and then cut out these multiple leaves as such. Take a lavender sheet of paper, fold it over multiple times and then afterwards make multiple slits to it. Slowly begin to roll it over as such, spread it out through the top and then make multiple flowers out of it. Do this in red as well. Next, cut out the shape out of a green sheet of paper and then cut out these petal-like shapes as well out of pink paper, outline it with black, arrange it in a circular shape. At the bottom, you may make it look like a little lily pad. Afterwards, add lines to your flowers as well and then add a little cloud to the top of it. Now, add little yellow tips to each of your flowers and then join each of them to the bottom. Add little fish all about as well. Next, take these seeds and then arrange it in the shape as such. Start arranging it to make it look like the branches on a tree. Now continue to do so and then afterwards take little white seeds as well or shells of it and then add them in a circular shape. You may slowly paint them in yellow as such and now it'll look like multiple flowers are about as well. Take balls of clay and add it as the center. We have chosen pink and green accordingly. Next, take a brown sheet of paper, cut it out in the shape of a bark of a tree. Now cut out multiple circular sheets of paper, fold it over to make multiple slits out of it. Now cut it into half, open it out, make this almost conical shape out of it and make multiple of these. Stick these all around the bark of your tree and then afterwards add some grass to the bottom as well using a green sheet of paper. Next, take a green sheet of paper, make this curved line to it and now take these brown strips of paper, stick it on and then take this yellow sheet of paper, cut it in the shape and open it out. Add an orange center to it as such. Now add a check shape to it. Now once you're done with this, stick this at the top, cut out multiple leaves as such, add them on either side. Add the sun to it as well along with the rays and then add clouds to the top. Next, take a white sheet of paper, cut it out in this curved shape on one side of it, fold it over multiple times. Now open it up. Using a marker, add multiple curved lines to it as such. Add these lines to it, join it together, and now slightly spread it out. Add this on the side as well. Now add this handle-like shape to it with a U shape underneath it. Add the cloud to the top and then add these little water droplet-like shapes made out of white paper. Take this blue rectangular sheet of paper, underneath it stick some yellow paper to it. Now take a lighter blue sheet of paper, now make this 3D shape out of it. Stick multiple of these, join about 3 in one side and then 2 on the other and then add the cylindrical shape underneath this. Cut off the excess and then add the sun at the top, add this little basket at the top as well. Now you have yourself a little beach day. Next, start off by taking and cutting out this ovular shape out of black paper. Now add a heart within it, add 2 more hearts on either side, add the legs at the bottom, add eyes to the top, add these hearts within the rest of the body as well and you have yourself a little penguin. Thank you for watching.